Adya stood alone in the dance room long after everyone had left. The sound of ankle bells still echoed softly in the silence. She looked at her reflection in the mirror and repeated the Bharatanatyam step once more. Her posture was not at all perfect, her balance slipped, her expressions didn't match the rhythm. Frustrated, she stopped. Maybe Bharatanatyam was harder than she imagined, but deep inside, she loved it too much to quit. That night, she made a promise to herself. For 1 year, I will practice every single day. Not for medals, not for applause, just to see how far consistency could take her. The next morning, before sunrise, she tied her gungroos again. Ta, tai, tai, ta. Again and again. Some mornings she practiced while everyone else was still sleeping. The cold floor made her feet ache, but she continued counting every beat carefully. Sometimes sweat rolled down her face. Yet she kept repeating the same step until it felt right. Slowly, her expressions became more alive, and her movements started carrying emotion instead of fear. With every passing day, she was no longer just learning dance. She was learning patience, discipline, and belief in herself. Some days her feet ached so badly she could barely walk. Some days her expressions looked lifeless. Some days she felt stuck as if nothing was improving. Still, she continued. Every mudra, every step, every expression, little by little, her body started remembering the rhythm naturally. The movements that once felt impossible became graceful. The fear in her eyes slowly transformed into confidence. 1 year later, Adya stood on a beautifully decorated stage wearing a traditional Bharatanatyam costume. The lights turned on. For a second, her heart raced. Then the music began, and her body moved effortlessly with the rhythm she had practiced for an entire year. Every expression carried emotion, every step carried strength. When the performance ended, the half filled with applause. But Adya smiled quietly to herself because the real victory was not the performance to her. It was the fact that 1 year ago she had the courage to begin, even when she was not ready. And through daily practice, the impossible slowly became part of who she was. So, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Purpose of Life. Bye.